Welcome to IT Learning Tutorial YouTube channel for you. Today in this tutorial we will learn how to user write assign in file and directories in restore properties. So sometimes it became important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. At first we go to Windows Start menu and right click of the mouse and go to Windows Run option and type secpol.msc and click OK. And when we click OK and local security policies windows are open, in the below we find local policies. We just explain it and find user write and assign. Click this option and we scroll down of the mouse. In the below we find restore file and directories option. Click this and open restore file and directories properties. We are see administrator, backup operator, everyone user permission are going now. We are see apply button are inactive. We just click add user and search current user. When we search is and check up, click OK and apply button are active. Click this apply button and click OK. In this way we set up user write, assign, restore file and directories for file and directories. So if this video is benefit for you, so I request you subscribe my channel, keep watching next tutorial. Thank you very much.